All right there, folks. So now we got to convert to vertex form instead of to standard form. So what we really want is our equation to look like this. So first thing we're going to do is move that 4 over, and then we have to deal with this 3. We need an x squared to have the squared binomial part of our vertex form. So what to do? What we're going to do is factor out that 3 just on the right, which gives us this. So the missing number we're adding is going to be right here, but it's inside the parentheses. And also we made sure to put our missing space over there. All right, so now whatever we add here has to get multiplied by that 3 on the right. That's why I have to put a 3 times on the other side. So what I mean is, when I complete the square and I get a 9, and I add a 9 on the right, it's really getting a 3 distributed to it, so I actually added 27 units to the right. So I need to add 27 units to the other side, so it's really 3 times 9 to the left side to keep the equation balanced. This way I've added the same value to each side. So then we just factor, combine like terms, factor our perfect square trinomial to get an x minus 3 squared, and then manipulate the rest of the equation to get y equals 3 times quantity 3 minus x minus 3 squared minus 31. That's it for that glitchy one.